Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to add music to your messenger notes. So if you're new to this channel, do well to tap on the subscription button and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. So for you to be able to add music to your messenger notes, you must have the latest messenger. If you're using Android, you have to go to your Play Store app and update your messenger. If you're using iPhone, you have to go to your App Store and update your messenger. So after that, the next thing you have to do is to tap on your messenger profile. Then you'll see the messenger song there. Tap on it. Select any of the song of your choice. I'll taking this one. On. Then the next thing you have to do is to write a good note. Let me write good vibe. Write your thoughts. So I'm writing good vibes. The next thing you have to do now is to tap on share. So when you tap on share, it's going to be uploaded and your audience will be able to see it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to always get helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.